You must have noticed that in this space over here, I talk a lot about artificial intelligence. Reason being is not just the hottest topic, but it is also something that we're still trying to understand. As humans, we are the ones which are giving information out to AI. But it nowadays seems like it is AI which is giving us information. That is what we need to understand better. What we need to be more wary of. That is what we spoke about earlier. Deepfakes, content created by AI. You as a viewer or a person consuming information via AI in any form need to be very careful as per what you are consuming and need to be sure, is it true or not? Or is it what we spoke about earlier, synthetic media, information created just by AI? How much of truth and reality does that have? A latest survey done by Europol in February showcased about 25 people who were taken into custody for creating content, child abuse content via AI. That's another threat that is making rounds, which is scary. Because now you have deepfakes, you have content against children which is directly created by AI. AI has tools to make your and my life better. AI has tools to see that we all have a very efficient environment to work in. But at the same time, AI can be used in ways that it should not be. And we are seeing those ways being exploited. It's making its way into the crime world and creating things which are very dangerous for the human race. For everybody who's watching this video, it is important that not just you, me, but everybody around us, till the time we do not have guidelines from the government bodies around the world, because it will still take them time to understand how and what protocols to put around artificial intelligence. Till then, we should be sure as to what kind of information we are consuming via AI. Deepfakes around children, be very sure, are they authentic enough or not? Do not forward things without realizing. And child abuse cannot be promoted in any form. It should be reported in whichever way you see it. So be careful, be watchful of what you consume via AI.
YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.